Presets are a great way to save capture settings so you can quickly reuse them. There are two ways to create presets. To start, click the Preset button at the bottom of the capture window. The quickest way to create a preset is to save your current capture settings by selecting this option. This creates a preset of your current settings, which allows you to quickly reuse them with the click of a button. The second way is a little more complicated, but provides complete control over the saved capture settings. To do this, select New Preset. The Edit Preset window appears with all of the capture options available. Select the desired options. For example, if you always take a region image capture with an applied border, that's Shared to Nomia. And maybe turn on Copy to Clipboard so you can quickly paste the image to other places. When finished, choose Save Preset and give it a name. To take things a little further, assign a hotkey to your preset to launch it without ever opening the capture window. Let's give it a try. And there you go. Now try it for yourself. If you'd like to learn how to edit and enhance your captures with Snagit's editing tools, check out our other tutorials.